Hi, do you want to learn Arabic with a teacher who focuses on your goals? My name is Abdul, and I am very happy to help you learn this beautiful language. مرحبا أنا عبدul معلم لغة عربية مختص ومحتمس لمساعدتك في رحلتك التعليمية. I have a master degrees and 5 years of teaching experience. Make special lesson that fit your speed and what you like. Who can study for travel, work, or just for fun? In my lesson, the student is the most important part. سواء كنت مهتميا بالفصحى الحديثة للإعلام والأدب أو ترغب في التحدث بطلاقة مع متحدثين أصليين سأكون معك خطوة بخطوة لتبسية القواعد وبناء ثقتك. Learning a language should be fun, not hard. I am patient teacher and want you to feel comfortable when we speak. Book a trial lesson with me now. لنبدأ التحدث بالعربي